Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome you all to my channel. Today's RHCE exam question is: create a MySQL user RHCE root with password redhat. Grant select privilege to user RHCE root on the inventory database. Restore database from the below location: http server.example.com RHCE rt inventory.dump. This tutorial video is associated with the previous tutorial video RHCE exam question answer 03. Let's start. Type this command to access MySQL or MariaDB as the root user. Type this command to create a user named RHCE root with password as redhat. Type this command to create a database named inventory. Now type this command to grant select privilege on inventory database to the user RHCE root. Type flush privilege command to reload or modify the grant tables. Type this command to show grant status of the RHCE root user. RHCE root user has select permission on the inventory database. Okay, now type this command to show all databases. Our inventory database has been created successfully. Type use inventory command to access this database. Type show tables command to show all tables. But nothing is shown because this is an empty database. We have to create an empty database with the same name before restore the database. Type quit to exit from MariaDB. Now type the given URL along with wget command to download the inventory.dump file. The file has been downloaded successfully. Now type this command to restore the inventory database from the downloaded inventory.dump file. Okay, done. Let's check access MySQL with root privilege once again. Type show database command. Let's get into the MySQL database. Type use MySQL command. Now type following command to list all users. Okay, our newly created RHCE root user is present here. Now switch to the inventory database. Type show tables command. After restoration, the inventory database has a table named students. By this command, we can view the description of that table. Our question has been resolved successfully. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.